Hi, today we're gonna unbox the Dyson hairdryer supersonic. So first we're gonna start with the carrying case. Now we're gonna do the instruction. Diffuser. Here's the diffuser, and there's a spare filter here.
Smoothing.
Smoother.
Styling nozzle.
Styling nozzle, and the filter cleaner for the filters. And here is the cord, and then we get the hair dryer, and then a cloth to set it on when cleaning. And this thing to carry it.
So maybe we should turn it on, see the settings.
I'm gonna turn it on. And it's magnetic.
Let's see the settings. The cold shot. So how do you clean the filter? Let's show them.
You pull the filter off. And then this on, and then you clean. And also you can clean this filter under running water, or you can just do that.
And then how do you get it back on?
And you have to make sure it's fit on the right way.
Very nice.
It's time to end the video.